Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. In this video I want to show you with a simple example what is IDisposable and why it's good for you to use. So let's assume we have a button here, and on the button we have an event click that start a task, and the task delays for 5 seconds, and then it calls then the result, and then we show the result. So we put a sync await for this in order to make the interface responsive. So let's see how it works. We have the button, I have click on him, the interface could move, and here is the result. What if the user clicks several times for the button, click, 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 click? What happens then? Then will be like here, more messages that we want. So one solution is to disable the button. So we put here something like var control, sorry, equal sender as control, control dot is enabled equal false, control dot enabled is enabled equals true. So now when I click a button, it's disabled, then the user can click only once. The problem with this code is that the code really should have something like try, catch, and finally, because if something occurs, the user could not click. The control dot is enabled will not be executed if some error in the start my task occurs. And second, we must repeat all this code on every button click. What could be a suggestion? The suggestion could be that we have a function that is disable that is disable control. We pass the control to this class, and on the finalizer we put the control is enabled true. On the constructor we put control is enabled equal false. Let's see how it works. So we put var control equal sender. Now let's see var disable control equal new. Let's copy the class disable control, sender as control, and we do expect to disable the button, and when it's done the function, the finalizer that is here to be executed and make it enable the control to true. Let's see how it works in practice. I click the button, it is disabled because it executed the constructor, and the function is terminated, and the button is still disabled. Why is that? Because in .NET there is something that is called garbage collector. The garbage collector is collecting the garbage, means the classes that are not longer in use, but it makes when he wants to, not when you want. For this we have something like IDisposable. The IDisposable interface has a simple function that it's dispose, and this function is called by the garbage collector or by specific construct in .NET called using. So let's see, we make using, and with this using, in practice it generates try catch finally, and on finally he calls the dispose. So on the dispose we have the disable, the enable true. On the constructor we have the enabled false, and see how it works in practice. Button, click, is this disabled? 10 and the button is enabled again. This because this using has generated code for you, and the code calls dispose from IDisposable. You could use using only with some class that is IDisposable. And please read also this link, Lost Text Chris Patterson, this IDisposable done right, that provides you more information. So I think that I have made my IDisposable class here, and you understand that the IDisposable has a dispose that it's called by using when the using finishes. Thank you for your time.